Today is National Youth Day. Today we are observing National Youth Day in our school, Swami Vivekananda English Medium is a school. Uh, Today is very special day because of Swami Vivekananda was born in this day. So many cultural program held in our school. So first of all, uh, all of you see first competition, draw competition.
So this is a special moment of our program.
বিবেকানন্দ স্বামী জনগণ মন উদ্বোধক হে নমি নমি বিবেকানন্দ স্বামী জনগণ মন উদ্বোধক হে জ্ঞান জনগণ মন উদ্বোধক হে ভক্তি দিলে তুমি ভক্তির প্রাণ অজ্ঞানে দিলে জ্ঞান আলোক দান ভক্তি দিলে তুমি ভক্তির দান অজ্ঞানে দিলে জ্ঞান আলোক দান যোগী জনে দিলে তুমি যোগ অনুধ্যান অন্তর মলিনতা শোধক হে নমি নমি বিবেকানন্দ স্বামী জনগণ মন উদ্বোধক হে আর তের সেবা তব ছিল মহাধর্ম ব্যথীদের ব্যথা দূর ছিল মহাকর্ম আর তের সেবা তব ছিল মহাধর্ম ব্যথীদের ব্যথা দূর ছিল মহাকর্ম দরদে ভরা ছিল সদা তব মর্ম দরদে ভরা ছিল সদা তব মর্ম দীন দুঃখী জানি সেবক হে সবার উপরে মানসী সত্য দেখিলে ঈশ্বর প্রেমেতে মূর্ত সবার উপরে মানসী সত্য দেখিলে ঈশ্বর প্রেমেতে মূর্ত মিথ্যা জগতে প্রেমী যে সত্য শাশ্বত মন্ত্র প্রচারক হে নমি নমি বিবেকানন্দ স্বামী জনগণ মন উদ্বোধক হে জনগণ মন উদ্বোধক হে জনগণ মন উদ্বোধক হে
of God. So, in 1881, he went with his two friends and Surendranath Mitra in Dakhineshwar temple to meet his god Ramakrishna Dev. On passing away Ramakrishna Dev, he went about tourism all over India on foot. After he went, the Parliament of Religion in America at Chicago in 1893 and delivered his speech about Hindu religion. He started his speech by saying, "All of my brothers and sisters of America." Then all the Americans are pleased his speech and attracted him. He remarked that the service to man is service to God, and he also said that human body is the temple of living God. Swami Vivekananda is the idol of youth and the nationalism in young India.
Professor and respected all teachers and my beloved juniors and lovely friends. Myself Shayan Dotto, a student of this institution, is here to speak a few words on this auspicious day, the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, which is celebrated in our society as the National Youth Day. Swami Vivekananda was a great philosopher, great social reformer, and great thinker. Swami Vivekananda was born in Calcutta city. His parents were Bhuvaneshwari Devi and Vishwanath Datta. Swami Vivekananda was a very bright student in his childhood. In his childhood, he is known as Narendranath Datta. Swami Vivekananda is our great idol because
we are assembled here to observe an important day, a remarkable day, an auspicious day. In this auspicious day of 1863, Swamiji, that is Vivekananda, that is Narendranath Datta, was born. He was illuminated all over the earth when he was born in the arm of his mother's arm. So, what can I say about Vivekananda and what can we say about him? He is an ocean and I am throwing pebbles and stones only. If you throw stones, you may collect diamond from the ocean. So, he is a man of ocean and he is bright and above all he is illuminate the world in his activities. His activities inspired the people of the world, not only India. He inspired the youth of the world. We observe this day as National Youth Day. So, the students are asked to come forward, to follow his path, his advice, that our society will be a good and will be a very strong among the countries of the world. So the students of this institution, I request him, I instructed him, I advised him to follow the path of the Swami Vivekananda ji and his ideology that is inspired to the all. And at last, I end my speech here. Have a nice day to all. Thank you to all.